Batman and the Joker locked in an eternal struggle between good and evil, order and chaos. We all know about this, but the question is, can we recreate that struggle in a drink? We're about to find out. I am making a drink out of Andre Darlington's Gotham City cocktail. The drink is called Good vs. Evil, and I'm gonna make it for you right now. The two main ingredients of this drink, Benedictine and dark rum. Now, I've had rum before. I've never had Benedictine. So this is going to be a new thing. Benedictine is a subtle alchemy of 27 different herbs and spices made from a secret recipe dating back to 1510. Serve neat, over ice, or in intriguing cocktails. I'm going to just open it and take a little sip to see what it tastes like on its own. All right, that's what it looks like. I thought it was going to be darker for some reason, but there you go. Okay. That's good. That is stronger than I thought it was going to be. Real good. It's got a good flavor. Got a good flavor to it. There's a little bit left. Oh, whoo. There's your Benedictine. Boy, howdy. It's good. I like it. These things are always sweeter than I think they're going to be, but not too sweet. So that's tasty. We've been drinking this since 1510. Good gravy. The other ingredient is dark rum. Now, of course, you can get a million different kinds of dark rum. This one was priced well, and it got good reviews. The Black Seal 80 proof Bermuda Black Rum. All right, let's try a little bit of that. Here we go. Black Seal dark rum. That is that's a strong rum. Okay, so I like both of those ingredients. So now we're gonna make the cocktail. If I can get through it. Okay, making the cocktail. We got a highball glass filled with ice, and we're gonna take 4 ounces of ginger beer. So I got Bundaberg ginger beer. 4. Okay, we're gonna add an ounce of dark rum. That's the Black Seal dark rum. 1 ounce of that. Okay, ½ ounce of the Benedictine. If you want to, you can garnish it with a lime wheel if you've remembered to get a lime. If you haven't remembered to get a lime, like me, don't worry about it. All right, so then here you can see it's got the dark, the evil, and the light, the good side. So we got the evil versus the light, and with this spoon, I'm going to mix it up. So I'm going to mix up the dark and the light to lock them in that struggle for all time, or at least until the drink is gone. So let's do that. There we go. The colors have now blended together. Good and evil mixed together, locked in that eternal struggle, and now we're going to taste it to see what it's like. Gotham! That's really good. The flavors of the rum and Benedictine are still definitely there. They're a little bit overpowered by the ginger beer, but to have those flavors there, I would totally drink more of that. I would make that again. That's a winner. So there we go. That is Good vs. Evil, inspired by the struggle of Batman and the Joker. It's out of Gotham City Cocktails by Andre Darlington. You can buy this book yourself. It's got 70 recipes inspired by Gotham City. I'll put a link to it in the show notes. If you buy it with that link, I get a little bit of a kickback, so you're supporting the channel, which I appreciate. This one is really good. I'm enjoying it a great deal. So if you like this video, please click the like button, subscribe for more nerdy foodie adventures. This is Ryan from Fandom Feast, and we'll talk to you on the next one.